Hey everyone, welcome back to Thousand Islands Toyota, located at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. Today we're going to have a look at the Toyota RAV4. We're looking at the hybrid limited all-wheel drive model. And this one's got a blueprint exterior color. It's a 5-passenger sports utility vehicle with a 4-cylinder 2.5 liter engine. Puts out 219 horsepower. It's a hybrid model, so it's fueled by both regular fuel and electric. With its 55-liter tank, it delivers good fuel efficiency with ratings of 5.8 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 6.3 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway. This equates to 41 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. Let's check out the inside. Okay, looking into the driver's side, you can see that the interior dash paneling here has both beige and black soft leather. Seats are Softex leather. Both seats are heated and ventilated. Ventilated meaning no sticky or sweaty backs in the summer. Driver's side has 8-way power adjustment controls as well as lumbar adjustment control. Hop on in. Driver's side door panel with all power windows and locks. Side mirror adjustment. Push start engine. Leather wrapped heated steering wheel with Bluetooth and audio controls. This model offers the Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which includes lane tracing assist, lane departure alert, pre-collision system, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, intelligent clearance sonar, auto high beams. Those are down there too. And the backup camera, which has bird's eye view, panoramic view, as well as front of vehicle camera views. And that's on our 8-inch touchscreen display infotainment system. That has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Sirius XM. And it's connected to an 11-speaker JBL sound system. Down here is our climate control center. And our dash cubby here with a wireless charging station, a power outlet and USB port, leather wrapped shift knob with the electric brake hold and drive mode controls, side-by-side cup holders, and our center console storage with 2 USB ports and plenty of space. Okay, up top, we've got our moonroof with its controls here, as well as our interior lighting control and sunglass holder. All right, that's our interior. Let's step back outside and have a look around. So the RAV4 has a pretty consistent body and design with most of its models. We've got 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Come around to the rear trunk. Nice features that it has power lift gate with kick sensors, but I've already got ours opened up here. Plenty of cargo space with the pull-out storage cover option. Our JBL speakers. A netted cubby with our power outlet and option for cargo lighting. Okay, so here in the back seat, as you can see, there's ample legroom. Here on the door panel, we have power windows and heated seat control, both sides. Looking in there, we've got interior lighting control. Down here, the ventilation and 2 USB ports and a pull-down center console with cup holders. All right, there it is, folks, the Toyota RAV4 hybrid limited all-wheel drive model, jam-packed with endless features, making it Canada's #1 selling vehicle. Give us a call at 613-342-9111. Get yourself booked in with one of our product advisors so you can see it for yourself.